Well, this is January 1st, 2019. Welcome back to our channel on another video. As you can tell already, I wore these shoes today. I went out preaching. It was pouring rain and I was freezing. My feet were warm. But then take a look at what happened. The colors. The shoes is stripping. And here also, and you can tell by the string on the shoes that it got worse. And because this is what happened, my shoes decided to have a mouth. So it lifted way up, and yeah, I had to search the whole street for a string, and I found this one. And so I tied it up. And then I called my husband because the other one was also about to make his mouth open. And then my lovely husband came to pick me up. So I wasn't too embarrassed because, you know, things happen in life. Yeah. Well, I still had fun preaching anyway, and I'm home now in the warmth, so I'm going to make myself a nice cup of tea and catch you in our next video. Okay, hope you all had a successful year, and see you. Bye.